Right, let's have a look at this cuboid. So we're finding surface area of this cuboid. As you can see, there is a front part of it. You can see me highlighting it just now. You have similar face at the back as well. Similarly, you have got two faces on the side. So there is this one and then there's one on the other side as well. And also you have a face on the top, which I'm just highlighting right now, and then the same at the bottom. So altogether you have 6 sides or 6 faces. So we are going to find area of each one of them and add them all together. So if I look at the front and let's number it 1, then area of 1 is going to be length times by width. Now let's say the length is 5 centimeters, and let's say the width of that front is, I know it says height, but it's just the width of that front rectangle. Let's say that is 3 centimeters. Then the area of that front part, which we just labeled as 1, is 5 times 3. Okay, so if I multiply 5 with 3, I get the front area of 15 centimeters square. That means the one at the back is going to be the same as well. Okay, so I can either double it right now, or I can just find the area of each one of them individually and add them together. Totally up to you how you want to do that. Okay, let's have a look at the one on the side. So let's label it at number 2. So, and I know the length of it, this bit here, is 3 centimeters still. Let's say the width of it is 2 centimeters. Okay, so the length times width, so area of that side is going to be 3 times 2, which is 6 centimeters squared. Okay, and finally the third one, let's say that's number 3 on the top there. Now its length is, as you can see, this bit is the same as the one at the bottom, so that's going to be 5, and the width of that would be the same as, you just see my pen highlighting the top and the bottom, so I know the width of that is going to be 2, so it'd be 5 times 2, which is 10 centimeters squared. Okay, so now I have the area of the front, I have the area of the side, and I have the area of the top as well. Okay, so I'm going to add them all up together. Okay, so I'll be doing the surface area, which is 15 plus 6 plus 10. Okay, so if I add 15 and 6 and 10, that gives me 31. But as we just talked about a few minutes ago, we know each side is being doubled. Front and back are the same, 2 sides are the same, top and bottom are the same. So I'm just going to multiply this one by 2, essentially doubling everything. Okay, so if I multiply 31 with 2, my answer is 62 centimeters squared. And that's how you find the surface area of a cuboid.